Welcome back to our corner internet. Okay, so this video I'm reacting to is called Nella Rose Chicken Shop Date. Looky here. Nella Rose is hilarious, right? I'm not just saying that because of that viral meme of her, you know, the one, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? It's really embarrassing. Yeah, not because of that. But yeah, she's funny though. Mate. Nah, I just see this comment now. I'm cracking up. This girl Nella is everywhere except her own channel. To be fair, if I was making money like shit. To be fair, if I got big like she did, I definitely would be everywhere else but my own channel too, to be fair. I pop in every now and then. But fans, I'm kind of like that anyway. You know, and pop in and out of my own channel. At least in the past I was anyway. What can I say? I have an on and off relationship with YouTube like most people do with their exes. Right? They say they're gonna go back and then they go back. It is what it is. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to get into this reaction. Mate, that comment cracked me up. That is over except her own channel. It's kind of true though, but can you blame her? She's booked and busy, innit? Okay.
Hi, Nella Rose.
Hi, Media.
Or should I say Nella Rose?
Thank you.
She got a raise it. Oh man. I mean, I wouldn't mind going on a date with either one of them, to be honest. I wouldn't mind it.
I'm the chef out of all my friends, so I cook for everyone.
Right, okay. Would you ever cook on a date?
No, I don't think I would. Just take me out. Why am I cooking for you? Maybe if you're my husband, but if you're not my husband, why am I cooking for you? I don't do that kind of stuff.
I can't cook, so...
That's absolutely fine. How old are you?
Are you a beer drinker?
Oh, God forbid we don't do that sort of ghetto stuff over here. Oh,
No beer.
never.
I don't like beer either.
And you have to take lots of it. Like, why would you drink a pint of anything? So my favorite accent to do is the French accent because when I came to this country, I genuinely sounded like this. And it was very, very embarrassing for me. So I had to watch Tracy Beaker. I had to watch a lot of Anten Deck and Art Attack. And
She sounds like Maeve from Made in Chelsea right now.
And I got rid of my accent. And now I'm a bad bitch, period.
I'm a bad bitch.
Yeah, say I'm a bad bitch.
I'm a bad bitch.
Because you are a bad bitch.
I'm a bit bit. I'm a bit bit.
Hmm?
How do you lose your English mid-sentence like this? I don't understand.
I'm a bit bit.
You're a bit booked. That's absolutely fine. We can both be bit booked.
I can't even laugh.
What
I
is
can't
different?
even say shit because my accent keeps going in and out. Literally, I go from British to American real fucking quick, yo. Bruh. Mate. Literally, I go from Queen's English to Geordie to African to American, Caribbean, back to English again.
Between
I'm dead.
like being embarrassed and being embarrassed.
Embarrassing.
Being embarrassed is like, oh, I can't believe that just happened to me. And then being embarrassed, that's
Embarrassed.
like, I actually want the world to open up and slowly be open. Like, I don't want to be here anymore. That's being embarrassed.
Yeah.
What's your favourite dance move?
Literally. You need to do that properly. So, throw it
I'm
up.
dead.
Just go, phew.
Phew.
And then, shoo. Phew, shoo. That's absolutely fine. You know what? Great job.
Say less.
Blowing kiss. Thank you. You know when you
What?
kiss someone and kiss you?
What?
It's
Mate.
supposed to be seductive. You look like a bird.
Do you have any words of wisdom?
Nope.
Don't look at me.
Would you say shaking your ass? Shaking your ass.
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 Shaking your ass on a yacht in Dubai is words of wisdom?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. So, how many boyfriends do you have?
Answer the question now.
I don't know, I have 0 boyfriends.
Okay, do you remember that you have none? What's your type?
I don't have a physical type. Oh, tell a lie. I do have a physical type. But let me just process my nuggets, please. The only thing is about me is I like chubby guys.
Did you used to fancy Chunks?
No, that's my brother.
Oh.
No.
Do Chunks really talk about me ever? Do they talk about me like in a hello?
I saw you dated them.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying.
Yeah. So.
Did they talk about me when you were with them?
Never.
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 You just shocked yourself.
Not once.
This is hilarious.
What's your favorite colour?
My favorite color is yellow. This is annoying. You're annoying.
Your favourite colour is what?
Yellow.
Yellow.
She's
Well,
regular.
funny you say that. You're a risky lady. Do you live life on the edge?
I love living life on the edge. What are you talking about?
I love it too.
Thank you.
Are you ever worried you're going to fall off the edge?
No.
Because you got people around you to hold you back.
Back?
To
No.
hold-
To hold me back.
Put me down.
To hold you down.
This.
To hold me back. Yes. Who's paying for this, by the way?
I paid.
Oh. A woman that takes charge, dirty girl. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You know you've never shot your shot and not got it.
Who, me?
You've dated every... Dirty girl. Dirty girl, yeah.
What are you talking
You've
about?
dated half of the rap scene. They're all millionaires, aren't they?
Well, sorry, but you got to shoot your shot because you miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
You know what? Bars. Cheers. Nugget cheers. The flavors. Stop. I'm so confused. They ran away.
Okay, that's quite funny actually. That just reminds me of me and my friend. Either half through the night out or after night out getting food. Just start laughing, have a conversation like this. I'm fucking laughing, man. But the friend of mine in question that I do this with, they know how to take you off and they know how to get under my skin too. Oh man. No, last week. Don't know how they roped me into half of the shit they roped me into. Damn. Oh man. But yeah, never a dull moment with Nella Rose, is it? She can cook and she's got banter. And she's good looking too. Probably should have got that shallow. Oh man. I might watch one of these chicken shop clips more often, to be fair, because I haven't even watched any of them. I think I saw a bit of the Jack Harlow one. It's so funny that you know, I just look at these comments. These are fucking hilarious, man. It's happened to me. Never seen me laugh like this. Oh gosh. Oh man. This video is fucking bants. I cannot. Oh god, no freaking words. She might be my mate. Well, it's hard to be honest with you. Man. Nah, last Friday. Coming home, we're walking home, it was so funny because they were drunk. It was their birthday and shit. So they had like tequila shots back to back. I was fucking howling. I don't know why I'm laughing so hard. I paid for the tequila shots. Well, it was 4. It was 4 shots. Normally it's 3. Normally you get 3 for like £7 or something like that. So yeah, they managed to get 4 because their birthday was after midnight. So funny. Literally, they're like, okay, 2 tequila shots for me, 2 for you. It's like, yeah, no. I'm having 1, you're having 3. I got them drunk. It was hilarious, man. But if I was drunk too, because I wouldn't have said yes otherwise if I was stone cold sober. Legit. This just reminded me of that. I never had chicken shop day. I've had a date in a kebab shop. I've never had a chicken shop date. That's waiting for Domino's. Count. By the night sun counts. In my house. Oh man. I'm going to cleanse myself of all my sins later. Okay, so that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want. I post if and about I feel like it. I'll see you next one. Bye.